What's up guys, LV Vending here, and in today's video, we're going to be going to service the claw machine today. It's been about 5 days since I've been there. That's 5 days since I've been there. And yeah, we're going to do that, and let's go see how it is. Okay, so now we're going to get air in the tire for the car, then we're going to go fill the claw machine. Yeah, that sounds right.
Because the location's not open yet.
Location is not open yet. It opens at 11 and it's currently 10:42 a.m. So yeah, so we're gonna do that and I'll keep you guys updated. I'll film us putting air in the tire. If that interests you, it does, okay? Then yeah. I also forgot to mention that I actually have new prizes that I'm gonna put in the machine too. I'll show you what they are when we get to the location. They're pretty cool, so you're gonna want to see these. Comment down below, what do you think the new prizes are? Comment that down below, somewhere here, down below. Just comment, and I'll be reading and responding and personally hearting all of your comments. Here is our culprit. It's $2 for air, and you can do your credit card. It's a Kiosoft unit, which is awesome, and it's a coin acceptor on here, so it's pretty cool. Let's see how this works. From a vending machine. That is pretty cool.
Not in my dreams.